Some shocking news. Some shocking news and breaking news is that Natim Teto has been found dead outside a hotel, or was found dead in the hotel. Natim Teto was serving as the South Africa's ambassador to France. So he was found dead. It's the breaking news. So the recent news reports from French and South African media indicate that Nkosinathi Emmanuel, popularly known as Natim Teto, the South African ambassador to France, has been found dead in Paris at the Hyatt Hotel in Port Hermilot. Okay? He was reported missing on Monday, September 29, 2025. Okay? That's yesterday. By his wife after she received a disturbing text message. His body was reportedly discovered outside the Hyatt Hotel with allegations in French media that he fell from the 22nd floor. You can imagine the 22nd floor, how high that is. Okay? An investigation has been launched by French authorities. The South African Department of International Relations and Cooperation, popularly known as DECO, has acknowledged the reports and stated that they will issue an official statement soon. So Natim Teto previously served in the South African cabinet as a Minister of Police, Minister of Arts and Culture, and Minister of Sports, Arts and Culture. You guys would remember him when he served as the police minister. He was the police minister at the time of the Marikana massacre. Natim Teto was the police minister at the time of the Marikana massacre when the ANC government murdered workers, slaughtered workers in Marikana. The police minister at the time, it was Natim Teto. He was also a minister at the time in 2011, 2012, at the time when Lieutenant General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi was the acting National Police Commissioner. And it was Natim Teto, as we heard in the Madlanga Commission, when Lieutenant General Mkhwanazi gave testimony that it was Natim Teto who forced him out of that post of the police commissioner, because Natim Teto wanted to control Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi as to ensure that he protects Richard Mdluli, because Natim Teto, of course, we know this was under the instruction of Jacob Zuma, wanted to protect Richard Mdluli, and Mkhwanazi was charging Richard Mdluli. So those are the news. Of course, the details will emerge later on. And of course, we have to pass condolences to the Mteto family and his friends and comrades. Thank you very much, guys.